Kani gadega Bathymmai TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Tathagata Roy, haka arpsantarik unailar, ulabam Smai kum ulat Bathymmai ke Jylla, haka Jylla kapalalong hadorbar hall jengga Raj Bhavan hanong ba Shillong. Yau Tathagata Roy, lapenbam Smai do Chief Justice ke Meghalaya High Court, Muhammad Yaqub Mir, harengkat ke Jingedon lang Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma, bat ki Menteri Sarkar, ki Head Officer ke Jylla, bat ki Bahayeng Hasem jong ulat. Tathagata Roy ula shimti ya kam kum ulat Bathymmai ke Jylla nau Ganga Prasad ubala syapen keria bat syatung kam kum ulat ke Jylla Sikkim.
I, Tathagata Roy, do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully execute the office of Governor of Meghalaya and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law, and that I will devote myself to the service and the well-being of the people of Meghalaya.
He's a very old friend. Congratulations, sir.
Sir, Tourism Minister, Sir, Urban Affairs Minister, Sir, Sir, Member of Parliament from Shillong. PHE Minister, Mr. Shami. State Planning Board Chairman.
Raghavendra Awasthi, DGP.
इसके वाइस चांसलर ने